Greetings and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll show you how to write a Labor Market Impact Assessment Support Letter. This document serves as a formal endorsement to support an employer's application for LMIA. You will begin your letter by including your company's essential details, such as its name, address, city, province, postal code, email address, and phone number. Next, you will add the date of the letter to maintain proper documentation. Following this, you will address the letter to Employment and Social Development Canada under the Temporary Foreign Worker Program, specifying the relevant office address. In the subject line, you will clearly state the purpose of the letter, indicating that it is in support of LMIA application for the named candidate. Finally, you will formally begin the letter with a polite salutation, such as "Dear Sir, Madam." After that, write, "We, company name, are pleased to support the LMIA application for candidate's name for the position of job title at our company. After conducting an extensive recruitment process, we have determined that candidate's name possesses the required skills and experience that are currently scarce in the Canadian labor market. Their expertise in specific skills will significantly contribute to our company's operations and growth. As a responsible employer, we are committed to complying with all employment and immigration regulations. We will ensure that candidate's name receives fair wages, benefits, and a safe working environment in accordance with Canadian labor laws. We appreciate your consideration of this application and are available for any further clarifications. Sincerely, your name, your designation, company name." Here's our sample LMIA support letter. See how it effectively outlines the employer's need to hire a foreign worker, demonstrates the lack of available local candidates, and highlights the candidate's qualifications. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and compelling support letter that strengthens your application. This letter helps Employment and Social Development Canada understand your hiring needs and your commitment to complying with Canadian labor laws. And with that, I conclude this video. If you found this guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on writing official letters.